Think of your marketing like the front door to your business. If that door is clean, open, and easy to walk through, people will just naturally step inside. If it's confusing, cluttered, or hard to find, they'll walk straight past. Your website, your socials, your proposals, these are all just doors into your business. So it's simple. Marketing that works makes it easy for the right people to walk through those doors. If you've ever tried to build something without the right tools, you can make progress, sure, takes a little longer, costs more, and never quite lines up the way it should. Being a single dad, time is way more valuable to me than money. And for me, the right tools matter. That's what happens when you try to market without a clear strategy or the right tools. Most businesses are doing marketing with whatever's lying around. Bit of social media here, a few ads there, maybe a quick website refresh, hoping that something sticks. And sure, you might get a few wins, but without the right tools, systems, and direction, everything you build starts to lean. Eventually crack and maybe even fall over. And that's why most marketing doesn't work. It's not because the people behind it aren't trying. It's because they're building without plan or using the wrong tools. I was talking to a client recently and they said, James, we've tried everything, Facebook, Google Ads, EDMs, even sponsoring a local event, and nothing's really landing. We're not generating leads. So I asked him one question: what's your offer? Who's it for? And why should they care? He said to me blankly for a moment and then said, not sure. And that right there is the biggest issue. Most businesses think about marketing as doing more things, but marketing that works isn't about the activity, it's about alignment. It's like having bricks without mortar. You're doing the work, but nothing's really holding together. When your marketing is scattered, when one week you're chasing corporate clients, the next week you're chasing homeowners, and the next week anyone with a pulse, your message starts to blur, you start to sound generic and like everyone else, maybe even desperate. And when that happens, your audience will tune out. But when you build your marketing like you build a house, with a plan, with the right tools, with a solid foundation, everything changes. And your brand is that foundation. You don't just get more inquiries, you'll actually get better ones. Clients who already trust you before they pick up the phone. So how do you build marketing activity that works? You start simple. Start with your brand. Know who you're talking to. Stop saying, we help everyone. That's like a builder saying, we can build anything. It doesn't really inspire much confidence or trust. Be clear on who you serve and why you're the best choice. Show proof, not promises. Share real results, case studies, testimonials, before and afters. That's what builds trust. And of course, stay consistent. Marketing isn't a one-off project. It's like training for a sport. You can't hit that one perfect tennis shot and call yourself a pro. You got to hit time after time, same shot after same shot, until it becomes muscle memory. And then you need a compelling offer. Make it easy for your customers to say yes. That's what consistency in marketing does. It compounds, it strengthens your position. So the truth is, marketing that works isn't really flashy. It's foundational. It's about building something that lasts, where every piece of content, every message, every client touch point works. It works together to build and tell your story with purpose. And like the old wax on, wax off lesson, it's the repetition of the simple, deliberate moves that creates that mastery. You might not see it pay off right away, but one day it'll click. You'll stop reacting and you will start attracting. And that's the difference between doing marketing and doing marketing that's built on solid brand foundations that actually work.